Well, what better way to test a saw out than take down a good sized tree? And this is what I would consider a conflicted tree. It kind of wants to come back to me where I am right now. And it's got a lot of dead stuff up on top, which makes me nervous. And the wind is from my back. But when you get to this side here and start looking at it, you can see that it has a bit of a lean down that direction. So of course I got the tractor far enough away where no matter which way it goes, it's not going to get the tractor. And I think what I want to try to do with this is do a large face cut right there, bit of a bore cut, and then back cut with a wedge, and see if I can't force it to go down that direction across the trail. And part of the reason I want to do that is I need some material for me and Bob to do a mini get-together that's not too far from the sugar shack. And I see a couple trees right in here that need to go. They're dead or dying, one. And this is one of them. And if I can get this kind of tree out of here, see, it wants to go right that direction, and I think I'm going to let it do that. Right in that opening. And by getting trees like this out of here, it opens up the canopy so some of the better smaller trees can start to grow. So it's snowing. All right, see if we can make it go kind of in that direction that way. Well, that kind of went down with a bang, didn't it? So let's take that saw and do a little bit of trimming on the branches, and I'll leave a lot of this log right here for Bob for later. But I will clean up that top. Well, one thing I can tell you right now is, guess what? It runs like a 372 XPW with a no base gasket build. And what that means is it's got good torque, good throttle response, nice snappy saw. And it's not broken yet, so it'll get better as time goes on. But the kind of things I like is I can put it on its side, it'll idle, I'll pick it up, it'll cut. I can lay it right on a piece of wood, hit the trigger, it'll just start cutting, and it does this. You know, and it's the combination of that, the lower vibration, the simplicity of the saw, and all those kind of things that maybe you like that style of saw. You know, based on the Husqvarna 372. I happen to like the graphics and the color of the John Shred saws better than the Husqvarnas. So when I build a saw for me, it's going to look and run kind of like that. So I think that's a good update. I've got some more out there to do, but I don't feel like carrying all the camera and crap out there. And I'm going to leave this tree here for a mini get-together for me and Bob. And actually, there's a nice saw log in there. I ought to get someone to buy that thing, take down some more. I was planning on taking down a bunch of trees this winter, but I don't know. We'll see what the weather does. Nice saw, you know.